I built this automated AI job hunter n8n workflow. So the system will run every single day, and the AI agent will actually qualify the jobs based on our skills and all. So only the qualified job opportunities will reach your WhatsApp directly, and also they will also save it in your own Google Sheets. So firstly, let me just show you the demo, and after that, I will just explain you how the data will actually flow from node to node from the beginning to the ending. Okay. Okay, now let us test the workflow. I just clicked on execute workflow right here. So currently the AI was actually scoring the jobs against our preferences and the skills that we got. So yeah, the workflow execution was successful. So let us just verify whether we receive a WhatsApp message or not. Okay, cool. We simply receive two matching job opportunities right here. So we can simply apply to these. So yeah, the workflow was actually working. Okay, let me just explain you how the data will actually flow from node to node from the beginning to the ending. So firstly, the workflow will run every single day. And after that, we will simply get the configuration, technically the requirements that we actually have, like, minimum published minutes of the job opportunity and the minimum score, and whether we only wanted remote only job opportunities to receive, and the role keywords and the AI criteria for scoring and all the other things. And after we simply use Arbeitnow for our, you know, job fetching board. So, and we simply use it because it have direct API access without any authentication layer on, technically without any API on it. Okay. So after that, you know, the Arbeitnow will actually give us one single slab of content. So we actually have to split the whole things out. So just have a look from one item, we simply received 110 items. So each item represents each job opportunities, and we will simply, filter the jobs based on these particular scenarios. So you can simply actually read this, and all of these will be configured back with this the config node. So nothing so serious about it. And we simply use the slug here to simply, check if there is any duplicates on it or not. And just for the, you know, cost control purposes, we can also limit the maximum items that we have. So currently the maximum items will simply restrict it to 5 for the demo. So even though we have 8 items, technically 8 jobs, we simply pass it only 5 job items to the AI. So here the Gemini AI agent will actually score against our, preference criteria and our skills that we got. And we have a threshold of 60 for now, but that can be customized with the config node. And after we simply match the job details to the score with this particular edit node, and after that we will simply aggregate everything, because we don't need multiple messages every single time, right? I mean, let's say for each job opportunity, there is no need for the workflow to simply send multiple dumb messages for each job opportunity. So we can actually receive one single message. So in that one single message, we can automatically receive, all the job opportunities that we got. Okay. So for that reason, we simply aggregate the thing, and after we simply build a summary message, and we will check whether the jobs are actually there or not. So nothing so serious about it. And after only then we will simply send one single message with all of the links attached to it. And after we simply split the things back. Okay. Things back with this particular code node. Just have a look. Aggregate. So wherever we simply aggregating, we simply use the same data to split them back. because we have to save those particular job informations to the Google Sheet, right? So that we don't receive the same job opportunity notification to our WhatsApp twice. So for that reason, we simply do this particular thing. I mean, technically, I had to add a filter, but currently, it was more like an MVP, so I didn't add it. But just for the extension capability, I simply added this particular login to the Google Sheets. So you can actually, skip, add a filter right here or back to simply skip the already there job opportunities over there. Okay. So yeah, this is how the whole workflow will actually work in the live, and also at the same time, this is how the data will actually flow from node to node from the beginning to the ending. So that's it for today.